I suggest watching the Lego Batman movie. I really enjoyed watching this movie because it really showed how important teamwork was over working by yourself.
The movie I recommend is Hacksaw Ridge because it's just a really encouraging movie and the guy has really high moral standards, and I just think it's a really, really, really good watch.
My favorite movie of all time is an 80s movie called Real Genius starring Val Kilmer, and I love it because it's a bunch of really irresponsible adults taking advantage of very smart college students and the technology they develop. And then those very smart college students get back at the adults in a pretty funny way.
My favorite movie of all time is Interstellar by Christopher Nolan because of the way he directs like the entire movie, as well as like scientifically accurate constellations, black holes and wormholes, as well as his usage of Hans Zimmer.
I would recommend maybe the greatest movie ever made, the greatest film ever made, 2001: A Space Odyssey. It is about not only just a space epic, but about what it means to be human. It's slow, it's older, but like it is a fantastic movie from start to finish, just one of the greatest works of art ever made.
One of my favorite movies and a movie I recommend is Coraline. It came out in 2009, and the reason why I recommend it is because it's like a claymation type of film. So it's like stop motion, and like the whole visual aspects of like how they made it was like so cool and like really like entertaining to see. And on top of that, like the movie covers great themes about like being grateful for what you have and not wishing for more materialistic things.